working on a headphone amplifier. I can't demonstrate it without using something else, but I was running it through my phone so that I could hear the music, and I ran out of batteries on that recorder I was using. But it is not working out like the schematic. So my plans is I'm just going to draw a schematic here, get it on the perf board, and hopefully I can add it to this project, which is my 8-channel mixer, so I can have some sort of way to hear it. And it's a low volume. You don't want it blasting because it would damage your ears, you know, with those speakers right next to it. I have not tested it with the headphones just yet. So anyway, it is a start. I am using a 741 op amp, the LM741, and I had to go figure out what negative voltage was all about. And I think I got a handle on it. It was very difficult. All this right in here is a voltage divider, and that voltage divider basically is going to feed two lines to give you the negative voltage and the positive voltage. So it took me a while to wrap my head around that. And the capacitor I've added, that wasn't in the schematic. So I just kind of played around with it till I got a sound. But it is going through a speaker. And just can't run two things on the phone at the same time. Won't allow you to do that. Got a volume pot on it as well. Up on what's covered here. We've got a headphone amplifier is what's happening here. I've used the LM741, and up in there is the negative voltage supply along with the positive, and it's a voltage divider is how that works. So I just wanted to make a few notes on this stuff. Got the capacitor in there, just kind of fumbled around with a few things just to see if I got that. Let's see if I can get a sound. So over here, I got the headphones. You're not going to be able to hear that. That's very, very faint. But that is headphones. There we go. If you listen really intently, we might can hear that. And I'm not sure where the microphone is on this camera. As it stands, what can I do with this? I was playing some of the stuff through the phone speaker, and it was pretty loud. And this is kind of like a very faint recording here anyway. So a lot of experimenting here. What can I do with this is the spinning questions right now. But that's the 8-channel mixer. I could put this circuit together, which I'm going to. Do I want to put it on this? Or do I want to have it on an independent? Of course, it's got to go on this independent board because it just isn't any room. But that is another perf board that I could put all this together. Another option is this might be 2 circuits here. And again, it'd be like the same kind of thing over there where I had channel 1 and channel 2. This would be the left and the right, which feeds to this stereo jack, which is going to the headphones. So when I put it on, I can hear it. Those things are supposed to be pretty low volume because they don't want to damage your ears. And I wish I could have another source, but this is all I have right now. And it is playing from this thing, left side of the headphones, and that's the right side of the headphones. So, okay, got a video here with this That is the 8-channel mixer. That's what this thing is. It's got the jacks on the side. And got a few more things to do here. I just got through cutting these wires and going to apply a jack to it right there. Been at it a good while today. And so there's how that's going to be. And like I said, I think I'm just going to run a battery inside of it. I think there's some room in there to do the battery. I'll just kind of wrap it, and I have to deal with an AC. Of course, I don't have one. So, quite a bit of stuff. I've toyed with the idea of the headphone amplifier. That's just going to have to be a separate project I can't figure out, because I can do it, but it's like all the other channels get affected by just the one. And you can't attach all the wires together. You got to have resistors and whatnot. And, I had to put a grommet right there. That should be easy find. You know, go to Ace Hardware or whatever. And got a toggle switch on it. And that blue light will come on. And just wanted to really get the a picture of the inside of this thing. It is really mapped out. Probably the most parts wise that I've faced. The delay projects were all just kind of on one thing, but you didn't have that kind of wiring. I hope it'll close up. So anyway, that's about what I have at this point, and we'll get some more video here in a few. All right there, folks. It is done. So that's what it looks like. Flip the switch, turns it off, flip it back on, it works. All your pans, bring the guitars down, and I hear just bass. So that works. Because right now I got this on just a dual 7 and 8, because I don't have enough of these adapters. So I just got one adapter there. So there's your overheads. Pot's a little scratchy, but it'll do for what I want to do anyway. Turn the bass down. Huh. I thought that'd be the bass. Fun. There it is. Yeah, it's just the bleed through is really prominent. So I can bring that bass back. There you can hear it. Pretty nifty little machine. I like it. Let's see. I can take the kick down. Snare. Didn't think it was going to go in the closure. I was really worried. A lot of wires. You saw the pictures of it. So for just up here with this ADAT, this is exactly what I wanted. Didn't have to go and buy them anything. Doesn't have any bells or whistles, you know, like reverb or anything like that. If I want to run it through anything like that, I could build something like that. Anyway, bass is all the way up. I'll bring in the guitars now. Bring in the overheads. Bring in the kick. Not much there until the song gets going. This is the snare. There are some pan pots on here. I do have that other amp going on over in the other side of the room. Oh, I can't do anything with that because I don't have that plugged in. But for what it is, I like it. It's really nice. Got to do some painting, so I'll know what's what. And the way I designed this thing was I got 4 jacks on one side, so it'll be labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like I said, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then 2 outs. So I thought that might be pretty cool to build.